Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna plant flowers and some herbs that I just bought today, and I'm gonna show you what I got from Bunnings. These plant flowers, 2 lavenders, Nemesia graffiti. I just bought them because it looks so beautiful. And then we're gonna add some for our herb garden, the curry plant and the sage. So this is where we're gonna plant them, over here. I still have to buy a lot of things, but that will do for today. And I'll show you the progress on my herb garden. This is my purple basil. It grew so much. My thyme, parsley, and this we planted few seeds, but we didn't know how much to put, so we just put a few and it grew like that. It's okay, we're gonna eat them. And this is a bit slow for my spring onions. We planted one over here, but it's still not sprouting, so we're not sure if it's going to, but that's okay. So yes, I'm excited to plant the flowers here, and I'll show you guys how we plant it. So Nathan's gonna make a mark where I'm going to plant because I'm not a pro and I'm a bit scared.
What one do you want to put first?
Maybe I'll put the sage here.
Yeah.
And then the curry plant.
Can you see that?
Yeah. Is that how deep?
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay?
Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things.
So I just planted them quickly. I have 4 sage. I hope that it will grow. I have to water them afterwards, because I still need to plant this one. It's called a curry plant. It smells so good. Oops. Yeah. We will use it for cooking. I mean, everything that I'm putting here in this bed is what I want to use when I'm cooking, so I don't want to waste it. So okay, I'm gonna put it down and I'm gonna plant this curry plant. I need to make sure that there's enough distance, and I'm scared, but it's okay. Nathan is getting ready for dinner, so he's cooking dinner tonight. Yeah, so I don't know how to.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different.
Told me to do like this, and then yes. It's not looking off.
I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry.
Are you proud of me?
You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to
I learned this from my plant
worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself. I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah.
See that?
Worried that you don't need me.
Grow.
Worried that you're gonna leave me. I'm worried that
It's a bit wet.
I'm gonna water it when you're done.
Then we'll show us how to do it first because I'm scared.
baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions.
Nathan, you confident?
Of course. Confidence is key. I mean, it's just a plant. It's not rocket science.
How?
I don't know, like that deep.
Okay.
See? Can fit in.
We're gonna keep the labels so I can write them down.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you look at me different. I'm worried that this will
I
all
really
change.
hope it goes well.
About keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control.
Voila! Thank you, baby.
Just water them when you're done, yeah?
Yeah, but now it's my turn. I'm gonna put one over there in the corner. And then these two flowers will go probably somewhere in the front. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try this. It's called Lavender Merlot. So,
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control.
I had to redo it because the plant guru said that it's not enough space. And he said that I should use some art.
I'm worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself. I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you're going to leave.
So what do you think, guys? Where should I put these two flowers? In the middle or corners?
You want your smallest growing plants at the front, because if you plant your big ones at the front, they grow really tall. It'll cover your front ones, right? So
Yeah.
it's a visual garden. You want like, landscapes down. So you don't want to put your tall ones at the back. Don't put your tallest ones at the back, medium in the middle,
Okay.
smallest at the front. They'll go taller, shorter.
Smile. Next one that we're gonna plant is called Kalanchoe. I don't know how to. So I just searched it and it's actually pronounced Kalanchoe. Read that, but that's it. I will put it here. So it's like a border.
So all changed. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got.
So now the next one is this white flowers, the graffiti. So I'm gonna put them in the other corner. Guys, if you can see, I'm sorry, it's nighttime. I feel outside because after I finished work, we went to buy these plants and flowers.
How you going, Lola?
Good.
Okay.
What do you think?
Okay.
Are they okay?
Yeah.
Because this one is gonna be more bushier than the other. So I made space.
Good work, Bella. Well, Rochelle has been planting
And I found the
her
treasure
plants. What did you find? It's a piece of wood.
Is that a wood?
Yes. I made her dinner because she's been working all day. Cha-ching! Yummy, yummy. She must be very tired. Working hard. Have you finished
Working hard.
planting your 3 plants for the last hour?
My leg hurts. It's hard
All right.
to be a...
Clean this crap up.
Hey, there's no swear words in my channel.
Is that a swear word? Oh no. I'm gonna delete the last 5 minutes of footage then.
Alright, now it's time to wash my hands and close this video. Thank you guys for watching this quick video. I don't know what to call it, but I planted flowers and some herbs in my garden. So now we're gonna have dinner. I'm sure it's gonna be good. Nathan cooked prawns and corn. That's gonna be our dinner for tonight, and then tomorrow we're back to work again, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment down below and like this video as well, or while you're here, might as well subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and have a good rest of your day or night, and see you later. Bye. Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna show you last night's plants, just in case you didn't see them properly at nighttime. So that's one. This is a lavender merlot, and it's the same one. And then this one, and my herb garden, they are looking okay. And last night, I know I said that this one is not sprouting, but I just seen today there's one sprout over there. So it's just taking slowly, but it's getting there. So yeah, basically gardening is going good. Also, Nathan took some trimmings from one of our plants outside in the front of the house and put in pots so we can replant them again. And these are all the same plants. Yep, so that's it. Have a good day, guys. I'm closing this video again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.
Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry.